Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to HSC online class for grade 3. Students, as you know that we have completed first 2 units in our class book, and today we are going to start the unit number 2 in our workbook. Kindly look at the page number 9, unit number 2, summer vacations. Part A, look and write. You have to write down the accurate options according to the pictures. Part B, read and write. You have to write down the sentences on the given space according to the quantity of the things, which are buses, taxis, bikes, cars and subways, etc. Part C, connect and write. You have to match the statements with the pictures and write down the accurate statement according to the picture. Part D, look and write. You have to write down the correct options according to the pictures on the given spaces. Move on the next page, page number 11. Part E, write sentences, use the words from the box. You have to write down the sentences according to the pictures and with the help of the boxes given on the pictures. She usually irons her shirt. You can see on the right corner of the first picture there is a box. It means that it's the sign of the word usually. Part F, look at exercise E. Write the questions and answers. How often does she iron clothes? She usually irons her clothes. These are all the questions and answers which are related to the part E on the same page. Page number 12, part G, read and number. You have to read out the statements and give and mention the number in the boxes. Part H, read and write. You have to read the statements and write tick on the correct picture. Look at the next page, part I, look and complete the sentences, number the pictures. You have to complete the sentences. The sentences are already completed for you, but the numbers are not given. You have to mention the numbers in the corner of the pictures. And look at the part J, look and circle. You have to circle the correct option according to the pictures. This is your homework. And the next page is part A, B and C. These all 3 parts are your homework too. Does it have a short U or a long U sound? Read and circle. Look at the example. I have circled in a red color ताकि आप लोगों को समझ आए. This circled word has short U, gum. Look at the part B. The first one is already done for you. Look at the part C. Do they both have the same U sound? हर बॉक्स में 2 पिक्चर्स हैं. Every box consists upon 2 pictures. अब आपने ये बताना है कि क्या वो दोनों पार्ट्स दोनों पिक्चर्स सेम साउंड रखती हैं या नहीं. इफ़ यस तो आपने फिर टिक करना है. अगर नो तो फिर आपने क्रॉस करना है, जैसे कि फर्स्ट पिक्चर में मैंने किया है. दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. एक आपका होमवर्क ये है कि आपने पेज नंबर 13 पे पार्ट आई का सेकंड पार्ट एंड पार्ट जे ये दोनों आपने अटेम्प्ट करने हैं खुद. और पेज नंबर 14 पे पार्ट ए, बी एंड सी ये भी आपका होमवर्क है. यू हैव टू डू all of these parts in your homework. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.